Alright, what's up guys, and welcome to my quick unboxing of the Thermaltake Smart 600 watt power supply. So let's take a look at the box first. 80 plus certified, 120mm fan, 5-year warranty. Here's the supply itself. Let's check out. There's a 24 pin, your CPU, SATA, 2 PCI power, which is nice, Molex and FD, whatever that is. This is the efficiency curve, you can take a look at that. And then this is the important spec, the 12 volt rail is 500 watts. So it's basically a 500 watt supply, because this is the only one that's important basically. So even though it's rated at, it says 600 watt, it's basically just 500 watts, so careful about that. Alright, let's pop this open. Got my trusty knife here. Go. Take off this wrapping. So this was a cheap power supply that I could get during this season. So good for client builds. You don't really care too much about the supply as long as it's 80 plus. Okay, let's whip it out. In it you have manual, warranty information, your standard power cable, and then the supply itself, wrapped in bubble wrap. Let's see. Okay. So here's the power supply. Coming out of the right side are the cables, ketchup and mustard. Logo on the side is clean, so if your case has like a window for the power supply, this doesn't look too bad. Just black and white. No hybrid mode on the back, just your standard power plug, switch. Other side is the same logo, and the information's on the bottom. And the other cables. Alright, so not too bad looking supply for this price. I think this is sub $50 or around $55, I'd say. So, alright, so hopefully this video was helpful. If you did enjoy it, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.